Handcuffs. This is a leather pouch to put handcuffs in. Has a Velcro lid on it. Have some stainless steel handcuffs. If you notice in the keyholes, if you put them facing you, there's a left and a right. And the key on the left hand side goes clockwise. And it goes up to 11 o'clock and hits the lever. You hit the lever and it opens the cuff. Well, on just the opposite, on the right hand side, the key goes counterclockwise and it goes up to 1 o'clock, hits the lever and opens the lock. So when you pick it, you start at 10 o'clock on the left hand side, and on the right hand cuff you would start at 2 o'clock and go up to the 1 o'clock where it hits the lever. I have to put pressure with my little finger on the cuff. There it went. So when you're sitting there in your orange jumpsuit, you got to remember that on the right it goes counterclockwise and on the left it goes clockwise. Peace. Don't break the lock.